It's whistle time.
Bro's having a very spirited conversation in the truck over there. Man, I gotta say, some bar risers would really help my cause a bit. I went to adjust my chain yesterday. I got my calipers out of my toolbox and I went to turn them on and the battery was dead. So that's something we're gonna take care of today. I'm gonna stop by a Dollar General and pick up some 357 batteries. Because they got them for cheaper than anybody else. They are the right price for me, which is $6. I would have gone to that Dollar General back there, but they be doing too much. Telling people coming in wearing backpacks, even if they got a motorcycle helmet on, give me your backpack. Fuck you, man. I used to work at one of those places. You know what I never did? All that bullshit. I was just like, oh, word? And then I left. Because, like, I'm not dealing with that. And at the time, like, I had a really nice computer in there. Like, you're not getting that backpack, dude. That Dollar General's in kind of a shitty area. I think a lot of them are, but not all of them do the give me your bag thing. And, like, one time I walked over there from my work on my lunch break, and I was walking around, and, bruh, their, like, boss protection guy came out the fucking back snapping at me like a dog. I didn't pay attention. Like, fuck that guy. I don't respond to that. I don't respond to whistles. I don't respond to little come hither fingers. And I don't do any of that shit, man. I'm not your dog. I'm a person. Use your words. And people who do that wonder why they always running into assholes. Brother, the common denominator is you. But yeah, no, back on topic. Like, they be doing too much. So I go to specific locations. Like, if I gotta go to Dollar General, I make sure to go to one in the suburbs that ain't doing all that bullshit. I'll go to one out in the country that understands and don't care. You know, I go to one of them where I know the people that work there act a fucking wage. I'm also picking up some peanut butter because I ran out and I eat peanut butter like it's going out of style because it's good for you, you know? I don't know what's good for me anymore and what's not. I just really like peanut butter and I need an excuse to eat more of it. And I heard the other day that lunch meat gives you cancer. Like, everything be giving people cancer nowadays. Like, what doesn't at this point? Lunch meat gives you cancer, cured meat gives you cancer, bruh. When I tell you, when I was in college, I lived on sandwiches, ramen, and, like, pickled kippers. I'm not even kidding, dude. I, like, had Vienna sausages and all that good shit, man. I lived, like, I had the diet of a 70-year-old man. It was crazy. Like, I ate like I was buying shit from the jail commissary. And it's like, if that... What are you doing? I'm gonna get over here. One, because I gotta go this way anyway, but, like, also... Can't trust these fucking people. They'll bust over into your lane without even signaling or nothing. Your girl is going to the Dollar General to pick up batteries and peanut butter. Maybe an Almond Joy. I don't know how I feel about that yet. Probably gonna grab another 2-liter of Diet Coke just because, like, I hear the aspartame in that. I heard for years that gives you cancer. Then come to find out, the reason why the mice in the study died is they injected them with 50% of their body weight of fucking aspartame. Let me tell you, if somebody injects you with 50% of your weight of anything, you are in for a bad time. But yeah, man, like, they're talking about how, like, aspartame and sucralose and this, that, and the third, and, like, cured meats and all type of shit give people cancer. And, like, you might as well just say the poor fuck diet gives you cancer. If you're broke, you're fucked. You might as well just say that. Like, if you make below a certain amount of money every year, you're gonna get a tumor. And I tell you right now, every time I see one of those news stories, I just think, man, I'm too broke to be worrying about any of that. I am. I'm too fucking broke. I stay broke. I'm bike poor. It's pretty insidious, right? that like the food supply is structured in such a way that the most attainable things for people on a certain income level are actual poison. Like, I don't know how my doctor would feel if I told her how much ramen I eat in a week. Like, genuinely, I don't know how she would feel if I was like, yeah, no, I eat like 15 chili ramens. It's not that much, okay? But, you know, the hyperbole is good. But yeah, man, like, I eat at least one a day. I add stuff to it. Like, I add, like, little vegetables and shit. But, like, I'm not out here, like, eating entire jars of corned beef, you know? So, like, maybe I'm gonna be fine. Who knows? Let me find out that ramen is, like, the biggest carcinogen since cigarettes. It probably is. There's no way that shit is good for you long term. But yeah, man, like, I gotta get these batteries. I gotta get that chain retention. Like, it's pretty loose. It's pretty loose. Like, it's not great. It is most certainly visually out of spec, which isn't good, but like, when you hit one of them long ass bipolar low spells, there's not a whole lot you can do. I need to start taking different routes. My videos are just the same roads over and over and over again. Then again, this is what it's like if you only have a motorcycle. You take the same roads over and over again. Oh yeah, shit, I've got things to mail. There's a new one of these little smoke shops popping up everywhere, all the time. Like, I can't blame them for it though. The shit makes money. Like, you can't really fault them for the hustle. Okay. Oh, this is the old school type where you just got the trap door. You gotta check it. Because sometimes that shit will hold on to your letter. Ooh, look at that. Look at that old Sportster. That shit looks good. Is that a Sportster or is that... Hold up. Yeah, no, that's a Sporty. Hell yeah. I gotta go that way anyway. We might as well be a looky-loo about it. Gotta do me a little U-turn real quick. See what that Bronco's doing. Gotta pick your battles with those U-turns in parking lots like this. Hell yeah, look at it. Is that a Sportster or is that something entirely different? Yeah, that's a Sporty. Look at those fucking bars, dude. That thing is sick. I'm still not 100% certain if that's a Sportster or not. It's got so much shit done to it. Don't look at me out here just being all responsible and shit. If you want to sound good under a helmet, and most of the time I just want to sound chaotic, so I don't do this very often, but if you want to sound good, what you have to do is put so much breath in your voice that you sound like an NPR DJ, and then people will treat your channel like ASMR. I'm not doing that shit though. Could you imagine? Holy shit, dude. But like, yeah, could you imagine if I was making weed, dick, and fart jokes with this voice? Could you imagine though? Just, if like all my videos are me just being like, weed, dick, and fart jokes are funny. I have the sense of humor of a 12-year-old boy. This channel would have a totally different group of people watching it. Because like I said, if you do the NPR voice, you sound really good on a lav mic. That's like the whole point of that vocal style. It sounds really good up close to a mic. But like, there's no reason for me to do that because, like, I'm a silly little goblin and I get to talk however I want. So I have this very, like, fast, frenetic, like, almost like helium-filled affect to my voice. And if I really focus, like if I turn on my customer service voice, people really get weird about it. So I don't use it. Thank you for calling Cycle Gear. Your next Jixer Squid associate will be with you shortly. Although I don't have, like, any room to talk about being a squid because, like, I'm in a long sleeve t-shirt and sweatpants today. I'm almost to my Dollar General, my local one. So I think I'm going to call this here and keep the rest of this between me and the insurance company. Y'all have you a gooder. Bye!